Hi parents, it's back to school time and I have a couple of tips that I'd like to share with you. My name is Arla Cahill. I'm a partner at Mandelbaum Barrett and chair of our education law practice group. First of all, the basics. Every parent should be reviewing and updating the emergency contacts for their child. There may be many changes to your school, there may be new teachers, new administrators, and you want to make sure that that information is up to date. Same thing with updated medical information. You want to make sure that your principal and your nurse in your school have your child's current medications and also have with them any medications that need to be taken during the school day, such as your EpiPen or diabetic medications. For students who have IEPs, it's important that you speak with your child's teacher to make sure that the IEP is going to be implemented successfully and seamlessly. For example, if you have a child who has difficulty transitioning, you'll want to make sure that you've spoken to the teacher and the case manager to develop a transition plan to ensure your child's successful transition to his or her new school setting. If you believe that your child has a learning disability, it's important to let the school know right away. The way to do that is to put in writing your request for an evaluation as to all suspected areas of disability that may be impacting your child's learning. You'll want to reach out to the principal of your school or directly to the director of special services at your school. For students who have Section 504 accommodation plans, it's important that you review with your child's teachers those accommodations that are set forth in the 504 plan. You'll want to make sure that everyone's on board and on the same page and understands the needs of your child. Lastly, I want to talk about legal documentation. Many parents are divorced and there may be documents in place such as custody orders or guardianship orders that impact your child's education. Who's the right person to call, who's designated perhaps in a custody order to make educational decisions. You'll want to make sure the school is aware of those issues. And for students who are 18 years or older, parents have to realize that they can no longer access their child's financial, educational, or medical records. Therefore, you'll want to make sure that your child has executed a proper power of attorney to allow the parent access to that information. Our attorneys at Mandelbaum Barrett handle these types of issues routinely, and we'd be happy to discuss any questions or concerns that you may have. Enjoy the rest of the school year.